In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zendrop to your Shopify store 2025 full guide. First, sign into your Shopify admin so you're on your store's dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with permission to install apps. If you're a staff member, the store owner may need to grant you access. Also, confirm you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. Look at the store name in the top area of the admin to be certain before proceeding. From the Shopify admin, look to the left-hand menu and click on Apps. Depending on your layout, it might say Apps and Sales Channels, but it's the same place where you manage and add apps. This is your central hub for extending your store's functionality. In the Apps section, use the search field at the top to find what you need. Click into the search bar and type Zendrop. As you type, Shopify will surface relevant results and suggestions. If a new tab opens for the Shopify App Store, that's expected. If your browser blocks it, allow the page to open so you can continue. In the results list, look for the option labeled Zendrop. Select it to go directly to the official app listing. You should now see the Zendrop, Dropshipping, and POD page in the Shopify App Store. This is the verified listing where you can review features, pricing options, and user ratings. Take a moment to glance through the details so you understand what's included and how it fits your business needs. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will check the connection to your store and then show you a permissions screen. This page explains what access the app requires to function correctly, things like reading and updating products or managing orders. Review these details so you know exactly what you're approving. If everything looks good, click Install again to grant access. Give it a moment while Shopify completes the installation. You'll then be brought back into your admin with Zendrop added under your apps. If this is your first time using Zendrop, you may see an onboarding flow inside the embedded app to help you get started. That's normal and part of the same install process. If you ever see a prompt about plan upgrades or charges, it's typically for optional paid features. You can stick with the free options if that's what you prefer at this stage. That's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Zendrop. From here, you can begin exploring products, syncing them to your store, and preparing your first listings. If anything doesn't appear right away, refresh your Shopify admin